Learn it in a minute. Episode 1. The Origins and Development of Greek Mythology. Greek mythology is one of the most influential mythological traditions in history. Stories about Zeus, Athena, Aphrodite, Poseidon, Hades, Achilles, Heracles, Odysseus, and the Trojan War have survived for thousands of years and continue to influence literature, art, psychology, cinema, and everyday language. Yet Greek mythology did not appear suddenly, nor was it created by a single person. It developed gradually over many centuries through the combination of different religions, cultures, historical memories, and storytelling traditions. The mythology we know today is therefore the result of a very long process. Its oldest elements probably come from prehistoric Indo-European traditions. These mixed with the beliefs of the peoples already living around the Aegean Sea, including the Minoans of Crete. Later, the Mycenaean Greeks worshipped several of the gods we still recognize today. After the collapse of Mycenaean civilization, myths survived mainly through oral storytelling. Eventually, poets such as Homer and Hesiod wrote down influential versions of these traditions. Greek mythology then continued to change through classical Greece, the Hellenistic world, and Roman civilization. The most important thing to understand from the beginning is that Greek mythology never had one official version. There was no sacred book containing the correct story of every god or hero. Different cities, poets, and historical periods often told different versions of the same myth. Greek mythology was a living tradition rather than a fixed system.